Hello guys, my name is Essen and I'm here with another video in which I'm going to show you that how Mail can be integrated with Podio. A Mail is an email marketing tool which is used for sending email campaigns to contacts which are present into Podio. Still, a lot of my clients and real estate agents are using email as a tool for lead generation. And at the same time, there are some clients who are using it for sending flyers to cash buyers database which is present into their system. So this is a very useful tool, just like other email marketing tools like Mailchimp and Active Campaign and many other tools which are used for email marketing. Mail is good if you are using Podio as a CRM because it is closely integrated with Podio records. So any email which is sent from Mail that will be logged on that record in Podio. So this is the interface. This is how it looks like once you sign up for Mail. You can see like how much emails are marked as spam. You can see all these activities here. I will be showing you an account. You know, you can create email templates. Okay, email templates are like those templates which you send to your cash buyers or your records in Podio, and they are visible here like this. I will be showing you too like how you can create your campaigns, how you can create your templates. You will be able to see all these things there. So I will be logging in with another account to show you those details. So I will be logging in with this account. Uh, so this is the account, and in the Mail, it can be connected with any app. For example, currently it is connected with a Leads app. So these are the leads which are present here. And if I open any record here, like this one, I can see the email option here. This is due to Mail. So it means that I can send an email to this email record. I can send this email to this address which is present on this lead. So if I click on this email button, I can also type an email address here. you know they will be visible here. I can select any one of them. I can type the body of the email, and once I will click on, I can also change my from address from here. Okay, so when I will click on send button, this email will be sent to this email address using Mail service. And once an email is sent, then relevant communication is creating here, and uh, it should also be logged on this Podio item if an email is sent to this record. A few seconds ago this email is sent. This was the from subject and this was the body. If body is longer, then it will be showing here. And any replies which will come, they will be showing here in the activity section. So it means that you can send individual emails to the contacts which are present into Podio using your Mail account. Now I will be showing you like how you can create campaigns in Mail and how you can define your templates. Here is the place where you can define your email templates. This is the test template which is already created. We see like what is present here. I click on content button. I can define an HTML template. I can change its design, and this is the interface. This is how it will look like. I can put a heading here. Okay, I can call it like uh, test heading, and you can design a very complex uh, template here. And similarly you can add text. This I'm just saving it. So once it is saved, you can see that this template will be updated. and the preview option will be available here, so you can get an idea how it's going to look like. So once this template is created, you will be going to the campaigns app, sorry, campaigns module, and you can create a new campaign here. You can call it a test campaign, and here are the apps which are visible. So I will be selecting this app, and then I will be getting all the views. I can select all leads view here for now, and I will be selecting the email. This is the template which is created recently, so I will be selecting it here. It is visible here. You can preview it. You can provide test subject for now. Uh, you can just provide the from name. I can put my name here, and from address. I can, because I have these two emails configured here, that's why they are showing here. Now I can click on send button. So once I will click on send button, then this email will be sent to all the leads which are present into this leads app. You can send to specific records too. Like if there are like total 14 records present into this app, and you just want to send email to uh, those leads only which came from website, or you know or specific type of records, then you can also do that. But for now I will be sending email to all the records which are present here. So I have selected all leads, the same view, all leads. It is containing 14 leads, so I have selected this view here. So this email will be sent to all the records, and if I want to send to specific, then I will need to create a view here. I will be creating another video to explain to you that how you can create a view. I can explain it here to you too. For example, there are 14 records which are present here, but I want to send email to only those leads uh, which are uh, mm, mm, which are having a motivation level as hot. Let's see if there is any lead which is having this motivation level. New, there is no lead having warm, cold. There is no lead which is having a hot view, so I have to provide a I have to mark one lead as a hot lead to just send email to that lead which is marked as hot lead. I will be scrolling down, and I will be going to the, so I mark this as a hot lead now. So once it is marked as hot lead, I will be coming here into filter section, and I will be coming into motivation section, and I will select hot, and now I can see that lead here. Okay, now I can save this view. I can mark it as hot leads and make it a public view and save it. So once it is saved here, it is visible here, and now if I come here and refresh my screen, then I should be able to see this view here in the campaign section. I will have to provide the name and other details again, and I will be selecting the same app again, and I will see like if hot view is present or not. This is the view. It is containing just one item, and I will select this email template. This will be a test template, test subject, and from name, test name, and email will be, I will be using this email, and I will click on send button. I will be selecting this option, and I will click on send button. Once it is selected, this email will be delivered to relevant emails. So this will be scheduled, and then it will be sent to all the people. Once it is sent, then relevant KPIs will also build like this, which are showing here, and these are in higher plans. The KPIs which are present, they are on higher plans. that detail can you can see like how much emails were sent, how much emails were failed to send, how much emails were opened, and how much emails were clicked. All these stats will be showing to you into higher plans. So once the email is sent to the people, to the contacts, then that email will also log here in this section. Okay, once it is delivered, it is queued and then it keeps on sending after some time. And if you have like thousands of records, still those emails are sent to those uh, records. So this is how the GlobeMail works. And if you need an integration of GlobeMail with Podio with advanced functionality, like if you have some particular criteria in which you want to send emails, then those can be developed into Podio. And we use Citrix workflow automation to develop those type of automations and then using GlobeMail for sending emails. So this is the overview of GlobeMail. And if you need any service of integrating MailChimp, GlobeMail, ActiveCampaign, or other email marketing services, or any other type of Podio related automation, then you can contact us. Thank you very much.